Mobility. Well, what is it? Everybody wants it, everybody needs it, but very few understand it. It's more than just stretching.
If you're flexible enough, you're gonna bring those arms overhead as well.
And it's more than just foam rolling.
Also, while I'm doing this, after a couple of passes, I'm gonna go through flexion and extension.
It's an entire movement system.
Now we're going into the Y. To take all those posterior chain muscles throughout the upper back, we have the ACL balance drill. She sucks that knee back up.
With Mobile 90, you're going to learn effective flexibility methods and when to integrate them.
We're gonna do the banded pigeon stretch. I'm gonna step through, pull it up nice and high. I'm gonna drop my hips down.
The best practices of self-myofascial release.
We've got a foam roller. It's a little aggressive, these little knobs. This is not a quick, like you see people in the gym and they're like going really fast.
You're going to learn the role of sliding surfaces.
We are trying to inhibit the muscle. We're trying to get it to relax. I want to make sure my posture is up nice and tall because that actually gives length to the hamstring.
And muscle activation.
I'm gonna come up into a side plank. Push, flex, and back down.
All of this is individualized and programmed through your very own movement analysis.
Now, and if this is the dysfunction you have, your feet will start to turn out. And it would be like a good squat because I'm nice and symmetrical. The valgus would happen if that knee collapsed in.
To find out how you can improve your own mobility issues, move better, feel years younger, and prevent further injury, please ask about the new Mobile 90 program.